This 50-piece set of EFIELD PEX female NPT adapters is ideal for anyone needing a reliable stock of half-inch by half-inch brass crimp fittings for plumbing projects. The adapters are constructed from dezincification-resistant brass, which helps prevent corrosion and extends service life in demanding water systems. They are designed to work with a wide range of PEX tubing and are compatible with both stainless steel clamp and copper crimp ring connection methods, making them very versatile on the job. Because they are certified for contact with drinking water under recognized industry standards, they are suitable for use in potable water lines with confidence. The consistent machining and threading on these fittings allow for smooth installation and a snug, leak-resistant connection when properly crimped or clamped. Being supplied by a major PEX piping manufacturer, this bulk pack offers professional installers a dependable and uniform batch of fittings that helps keep installations efficient and organized.